Hello and welcome to this course on 50 social media strategies. Social media, of course, is the power of your marketing, and we're going to be talking about that power in your own marketing, whether or not you are an internet marketer or maybe you are a brick and mortar business. Doesn't matter. Social media has power in your marketing, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this course. Now, what are we going to be talking about in this social media strategies course? Well, we're going to discuss and spend most of our time talking about the major social media platforms and how you can use them to build your business. Now, we'll talk about how you can use them for more traffic, leads, and authority in your niche. Okay, so if you've decided what your market is, this is going to help you to build that authority inside of that market. Now, we will look at the major players such as Facebook and Twitter. We'll spend most of our time there. We'll also talk about LinkedIn for a considerable amount of time. And then we'll also look at some of the up-and-coming networks such as Instagram and Vine. We'll also take a look at YouTube as its own social network and the role it plays in integrating the platforms. Now, we will have some discussion also about a meta strategy where you can really manage or add to all of your social media accounts. Not necessarily distribute and share information, but one where you can actually add to the authority of all of your other social media accounts. We'll be taking a look at that probably in the last video of this course. So you'll see approximately 50 videos, and you'll see them describing different aspects of social media that you need to undertake as your strategy. So as you follow along these videos, you can take your clickable PDF document, which is a replication of all of the slides that you're going to see in this presentation, some of which are going to have links in them that you can click to some of the various places that I'm talking about in the video course. So certainly follow along in that PDF and use it as your guide as to where we're going to be going, as well as resources that you can click on. Okay, so with that, thanks, and we will see you in the first strategy.